Okay, so I am almost 60 and as a young girl had a lot of cavities and went to dentists. Parents always took me to dentists, and we stuck with one dentist, and I just had lots of fillings done, and it would hurt so bad. It hurt so bad. And I was one of those kids. I ate a lot of candy. I had probably 20 fillings in my mouth before I even entered into college.
So I met Linda a little over a year ago, and she's like so many of my patients. She's had bad experiences in the past with dentistry, and she was never really aware of the fact that there is an option to make things more comfortable when you're actually in my chair. Sedation dentistry has been an adjunct to my practice and has helped out immensely with patients that are truly just having deep fear for dentistry.
So that whole thing, just sitting in that dental chair and not being able to get away, and it hurting, and I would just cry. I remember just crying and crying, but I had to have that done. So anyway, fast forward, I got married, I took my kids to the dentist, but I didn't go all that often.
She had been avoiding the dentist for a long time. She'd had really bad experiences as a child, and it had really scared her away, but she was at the point where she couldn't wait anymore, and she was really hurting. And so she came in, and our biggest goal is to help people do dentistry as comfortably as possible. And so as we got to know her and got to talking to her, we thought that sedation dentistry would probably be the best fit for her. And so we kind of talked to her about how that works and how she could just very comfortably sleep through the procedures and not really have much of a memory of it, and just really be comfortable. And that was very appealing to her.
And I heard about this sedation dentistry, and I thought that's for me. I'm in. I didn't care what it took. I was gonna do this, and so I did my research. Quite a bit of research actually, and came across Dr. Hamilton's name.
So we know the hardest step for most patients is just getting in the door. So that's going to be the hardest part for you. But if you come and see us, I promise you that we'll make you as comfortable as we possibly can. Sedation dentistry is going to be an important part of that. I mean, why remember the procedure if you don't have to? And that usually helps out a lot. Linda, for example, she came in and she was terrified of coming to see me, but she made it through the door. And since then, we've been able to work with her, and now she's completely comfortable with any dental work that she needs to have done. And sedation dentistry is what led her to be that way.
And honestly, I started to feel at home. I started with Sharisa, you know, the little things that they do, that they go out of their way to do, to make their clients feel as comfortable as you can when you're sitting in a dental chair.
And she's just been a great patient. She's so fun. I know she still is a little nervous when she comes, but she comes and she's excited, and she always has a smile on her face. And that is the most rewarding thing to get to do with patients, is to help them be able to take care of themselves and be comfortable doing it, and then to keep coming back and stay healthy.
I want to tell you, whoever's watching this, don't be that person that just gets blinded to not taking care of your body, because it's not just the teeth. The teeth are, everything's interconnected, and you've got your heart, and it's all together. And and at my age, you know, what kind of quality of life do you want to have? So be that person that, you know, you choose to have health and a good quality of life.
So if you're like Linda and you have a fear of the dentist, please just come and see us at Atlanta Dental Spa. I promise you, we'll make you comfortable and we'll take good care of you.